Practically standing still now. They've dropped ropes out of the nose of the ship, and has been taken a hold of down on the field by a number of men. It's starting to rain again. The rain had slacked up a little bit. The back motors of the ship are just holding it just enough to keep it from... It bursts into flames. Get it started. It's crashing. It's crashing terrible. Oh, my, get out of the way, please. It's bursting into flames, and it's falling on the mooring mast, and all the folks between it. This is terrible. This is one of the worst catastrophes in the world. Oh, it's place is 400 or 500 feet into the sky. It's a terrific crash, ladies and gentlemen. The smoke and the flames now, and the frame is crashing to the ground, not quite to the mooring mast. all the humanity and all the passengers screaming around here. I told him I can't talk to people. His friends are out there. I can't talk, ladies and gentlemen. Honest, it's just laying there, massive smoking wreckage. And everybody can't hardly breathe and talk and screaming. Lady, I'm sorry. Honestly, I can hardly breathe. I'm going to step inside where I cannot see it. Charlie, that's terrible. Listen, folks, I'm going to have to stop for a minute because I've lost my voice. This is the worst thing I've ever witnessed.
Is that some kind of Bluetooth light controller?
No, it was a small little camera on the wing here.
Oh,
I see right there.
Ah, you're gonna
So
catch the action.
yep, I got one that flinched it.
I don't know. How are you going to set the f-stop on it while you're holding a flashlight on it?
My cell phone. It's really bright on my cell phone.
Lighting up the back of his head really nice.
Right?
Till it disappears.
No! Run!